Hey, what is happening, everybody? It's been a while since I've uploaded a video. I haven't been on here much. My grandpa recently passed away a few months back. I'm dealing with a lot of stuff out here, getting the land cleaned up, getting ready for my house to be built out here. Picked up a new 14 Silverado, BDS lift, 8-inch, train horns, cammed, long tubes, cold air intake, good stuff. I'll post a video of it later. Let me show you around the 70 Camaro though. I've had it 6 years. The 99 cover is done. It's just chilling. This car right here, I'm going to do my gender reveal in for my second kid we're having in February. Let me show you around the car and what I'm doing to it. So this is my 70 Camaro. It's got a small block Chevy 355 my grandpa built with the turbo 400. I have 4th gen F body fans and radiator I'm going to put in it for now until I get a bigger inner radiator and everything. The whole subframe and ball joints and bushings and sway bar links and everything you can do to the front end has all been replaced, powder coated, new brakes, everything. Factory wheels on it right now. I got the, I believe it's the 2.5-inch cow hood. Paid $300 for it. It looks like a big project right now, but I'm hoping to have it done in 2 months. And yeah, you heard that right, 2 months. I have everything on the way for it right now. I have the new master cylinder and brake booster come in. Have the distribution block right over there that come in. I got new brake lines pre-bent. The brackets that bolt the master cylinder onto the car. Or the brake booster, my bad. I have the 5th gen Camaro dash and center console going in the car. I've already mounted it and everything like that. Trimmed it to where it needs to be. I'll post pictures of that. It's got a 94 OBS steering wheel in or steering column. It actually works in this car, bolts right in, everything works. I'm going to change the steering wheel out. I have all the windows. The windows are actually in the doors too, but I have all the windows for it. New weather stripping. All the weather stripping from out here, inside. I got the mirrors, door handles, everything's on the shelf over there. The rear end is right here. It is a Moser 12 bolt narrowed to 49 inches. Aerospace component brakes. Strange axles. I got a mini spool here and then just a spool there. I have 373 gears. Those will be here Wednesday or Thursday this week, actually, in a couple days. Fuel cell here. On the rear end, I have to 4-link it because that rear end being that narrowed, the leaf springs won't work with it because it sits in too far. So I got an eBay 4-link kit. I'm going to weld in the car. That was like $190. And I'll make a video on how to put that in this week. For y'all guys that don't want to spend $3,000 on a ride tech system like I did. But I'm going to be doing the 5th gen Camaro front and rear seats in it. I had a guy donate everything for the interior besides the carpet and headliner. So like I got new door panels, all the windows, like the roll-up handle, door handle stuff. Anything for the interior minus the headliner and carpet I have the back piece there. Front fenders, I ordered new ones. They should be here in I think a week and a half. The doors I pretty much got lined up and everything on the car. We're going to be painting it silver with black stripes. I got the paint over there mixed up. The paint we made, and it is silver. I don't know the exact paint code because we mixed a lot of silver up, so it's kind of a one-off deal. But I have 2 gallons of it, so if I ever have a chip or something, I can fix it. It's silver, has blue metallic in it, silver metallic, white metallic in it. It's going to look pretty good in the sun with the black stripes. These seats I'm going to sell for like $100 if you know anybody. I'm down here in Durant, Oklahoma. The fenders don't line up right now because none of the stuff's bolted on. It's just kind of sitting on the car. Actually, today I ordered the wheels for it. I have 18x9 weld S77 wheels. The fronts are 18x9 with 4.6 back spacing for this car. The rears are custom built 20x12 with 4.5-inch back spacing. I will post a picture of what the car should look like when it's done. Same wheel setup because I got the wheels specs from a guy on Facebook that has pretty much, his rear end was narrowed to the same and everything. I will post a picture of that car here on the end of the video. I'll be posting a few pictures of what I have done so far to it, like the dash and center console being in the car. I do have one of the welds already, and I got a picture of it on the car, how it fits and everything on the front, so I'll post that in there. And I think I have a small video of it running, so I'll post that in there too. Trying to keep this video nice and short. I have the headlights and everything. I mean, everything to it's over here. I mean, I got the new wiring harness, everything. The engine side's already done. I got the rear tail light harness done and everything. I've got the headlights ready to bolt in right there. One piece spoiler I went with. I had the 3-piece, but I took it off. I'm gonna go with the 1-piece and put it in here. And I got that little hood, you know, so I'm thinking the little hood with the little spoiler is gonna look a lot better. I haven't put any exhaust on it. I was thinking boiler attacks or some kind of glass pack or something. Y'all let me know what would sound good on it, because right now it's open header. I have the exhaust out there, but they got Flowmaster 44s on it, and them things are too quiet. Y'all let me know what kind of muffler y'all would like to put on it, because I'm going to be doing that as soon as I get this rear end and everything in it. And like I said, you know, I got all the new brake lines that are pre-bent, that are ordered. Got the master cylinder, the distribution block that goes with it. So this whole car, you know, underneath will be brand new for now. And then, like I said, the front fenders should be here in a week and a half. And then I can test fit them, get them fitting good, do what I need to do, and then pull them back off so I can paint the car. But the only reason I took the dash and everything back out, and I'm going to pull them out the car, is so that I can, you know, paint the whole car without having to mask it off. You know, of course I'll mask the steering wheel off, but I'm going to shoot the whole car and then put the windows and stuff in, so, you know, all the seals and everything are painted and stuff where you can see. But that's pretty much it on the car. I'll keep you updated this week. I'm going to show y'all how to put that parallel 4-link in this car, and I've already done measuring and everything, how to get it to work. Like I said, it was $190 on eBay. So I'm going to go on a video on how to put that in, so you don't have to get the ride tech for like $3,000, cut your inside all up and do that. So just stay tuned for this car. I know it looks like a lot, but I got to have it done in about 2 months. My wheels, is a 4-week wait for the rears, since they're custom. Now, I did order new tires. They're actually going to be here tomorrow. I went to the tire shop and ordered them. But I'll put the wheel specs down in the description and stuff like that, so y'all know. And if y'all want to know how I put the fifth-gen dash and center console in the car, let me know. I picked that up for $100 on eBay, on Marketplace, my bad. And I'm going to see about wiring up my headlight switch and all that stuff to get to work with the factory harness in the car. If I can't do that, I'm definitely going to have everything hooked up when I go LS. I'm only going to leave this motor and stuff in here for, I don't know, probably another 6-7 months. My goal is to have a LS in here with the GT500 supercharger, and when I do that, I'm going to take the 5th-gen dash harness and everything, plug it all in, because I have everything on the shelf over there for when I go LS, to hook everything up. All the gauges and everything will work. So for now, it'll be all up in there, and I'll just have to have, you know, just a little fuel gauge and whatnot that I can read until I do go LS. But I wanted to have all that mounted in and everything before I put the windows in, because it actually does mount right here across. Comes up and covers all this. I have this trimmed out for that. But I'll show you pictures of it and everything. Let me know what y'all want to do with the car. What y'all think would be nice. For now, though, I do need to know what exhaust mufflers would sound good on this. It's open headers. This is like my first small block Chevy to mess with, other than my Monte Carlo and a couple other ones. It's cam, sounds really good. Like I said, I'll upload the video. The only thing I need to get for the car, the front bumpers I don't have. I need to get the grill, the front bumpers, and I guess, you know, get all this shit bolted in. But I'm gonna wait until, you know, it's almost ready to paint, and I gotta get, I was gonna order these, get the new front, but I haven't yet. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet about that, but I got the new fenders coming. The rest of the car, the bodywork's pretty much been done on the back. That I do have a new trunk lid I ordered from Summit, because that one's kind of bent and has some rust on it and stuff. But that's it on the car. I didn't want to take too long. The seats will be for sale. The rear end will be for sale. It has new leaf springs, been all powder coated, new polyurethane bushings, so that whole setup will come out of this car. Stock gears, I'm assuming. No, I haven't been in it, but this was in it. It was taken out, powder coated, put back in. So that's it for the car. Wheels, rear end, seats, be for sale. I don't have the stock dash or nothing. That's why I went 5th gen. Doing it on a budget. It's getting the 5th gen front and rear seats in it. So, but that's it on the car. I will upload the pictures of the wheels setup. I'm actually going to upload the picture of the guy's car. I'm kind of copying mine's the split bumper on the front. But I'll upload all the pictures I got. So here we go. Watch them out. And remember, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks.